This is the hydraulic press force calculator tonnage from cylinder, which calculates the force output of a hydraulic cylinder based on its diameter and operating pressure. Let's look at the inputs. First, you'll enter the cylinder diameter in the Enter Diameter field. For the diameter unit dropdown, you can choose between inches or millimeters. For this demonstration, we'll use inches. Next, enter the operating pressure in the Enter Pressure field. The pressure unit dropdown gives you three options: PSI, bar, or MPa. We'll select PSI for our example. For this worked example, let's input a cylinder diameter and an operating pressure value. Once you click Calculate Force, the calculator processes these inputs and displays your results. The output shows the total force capability of your hydraulic cylinder, which represents the maximum tonnage your press can generate under the specified conditions. This force calculation is essential for determining whether your hydraulic system meets the requirements for your pressing application, ensuring you have sufficient capacity for forming, stamping, or other press operations. Understanding your cylinder's force output helps prevent equipment damage and ensures safe operation. Find the link in the description below.